Hey guys, here we have Hunter Passport 3 ceiling fan. In Roblox, this one is the one that Ryan Dan has. It's antique brass, but has a lot. Only thing it has that's different about this one's smaller and it has a light kit. So, anyways, here's the light. Here's low. Where's the fan chain? Sometimes it's hard because the light kit. Sometimes the scowls of this light kit are in the way. But here it is. Why isn't this fan liking me? Here it is. Here's low. Sometimes it can be hard to turn this fan on because it has pull chain is a little weird on it. And it does spin pretty fast because it's a smaller blade span, just like these Concentras right here. I figured I'd put this next to the Concentras because it would look nice. I may move this California Zephyr right here elsewhere, and I could probably move these other Passport 3s back a little, so that because it's kind of having problems glitching. So I think I do have to move the California Zephyr. I could move it. I gotta say, maybe shorten the down run on it and move it right next to the Raphael Tiffany right here. Because there's a California Zephyr actually next to the Raphael Tiffany. So anyways, that's about low. It's pretty fast, like I said, so here's medium. And here, oh, I forgot the light. Here's the light. This fan puts out a pretty good amount of light, like, at least doesn't glare. And really, these fans have Air Max motors, so it's like 52-inch motor, but when you put smaller blades on it, it spins pretty fast, which is pretty nice. Here's light off, and here's high. It's already blowing lots of air already because it's so fast, because of how fast this thing is. It's going just as fast as an industrial on high speed, like the garage industrials. So anyways, here's spin down. It's almost just as fast as the Capri in although this fan may be moved to Ryan Dan's room later on, but I'm not sure if it yet. But I figured for right now just put it next to the Concentras, or I may put another one of these in Ryan Dan's room. And although the one that Ryan Dan has, it goes low, medium, high, and I may wire the or edit one for Ryan Dan's room that will go low, medium, high, just like a Slumber 3 Casablanca. So here's lower. Oh, Forgot to press the reverse switch, so let's do that again. Here's low reverse. Here's medium reverse. The blade arms look a little smaller, which is okay on Roblox, but compared to the real life version. Like the badges of them. So anyways, here's high. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it on. How I'm gonna leave it is I'm gonna leave it on low with the light on. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.